my channel WinChem. Today we are going to see a PGTRB 2015 organic questions. The question is assign R or S configuration to the chiral carbon marked with an asterisk. See here the asterisks are there in second carbon and the third carbon. They marked as second and third, so very easy for us. So they are start from 1, 2, 3, 4. So you no need to worry about it. Numberings, okay, numberings you don't need to worry. And the first we need to do the second carbon. Okay, how to do it I'll tell you for you. Okay, the first one, this is the higher priority, OH is this, so first we have to give for 1 for this and 2 for this. Why? You know, here only CCH3 is there, but here C, Br, CH3H, everything is there, so this will be a higher molecular weight. Atomic weight will be more for compared to this, so it will be 2, and then this is a 3, and this is the least priority as 4. So the trick which you need to keep it in your mind is the least priority, that is the hydrogen, is always should be in the vertical or in the standing line. You can keep this as standing line. It's easy. Vertical, horizontal, you may get confused. So standing line. If not, if this is not there, then you need to change the configuration. If see here it is in a vertical line only, so no need to worry about it. So the rotation will be like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It is in an anti-clockwise direction, so it will be in the S. Okay, no need to worry. If the hydrogen is in this place, then what you have to do? This should be R. You need to change the configuration S is to R. I'll give you some example for that also. Okay, for this 3, carbon 3, this is the first one. Okay, this is the first one. As usual, this should be the second, and this is the third, and this is the fourth. Least priority should be in the vertical. So how it will be? This is also in this reverse. Rotation will be in an anti-clockwise direction. So this is also, what is that? S. So what will be the answer? The answer will be the B. B will be the answer. I'll give you them other examples. See here in this example, it's very clear. This is also is there. You see this carbon and this carbon, we need to finalize the configuration. Okay, for this carbon, this is the 1, and this is the 2, and this is the 3, and this is the 4. See here the carbon which is having OH, H, CH3, but this causes acid carbon. So acid should comes as the first one. Okay, this is the prioritized first one. Okay. So if this is the 2 means, what will be the configuration? See 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a R. Okay, R. Actually, but if the hydrogen, the least priority should be in the standing line, not should be in the horizontal line. If it is in a horizontal line, you need to change the configuration. So what will be the configuration for this is the R. It's a clockwise direction. It should be R, but we need to write this as a S. Okay, and see the next carbon also. We need to give this as a yes. Okay, and check this. This should be like this. Actually, it's a clockwise. R we need to write because of this hydrogen. It should not away from the view. Okay, so we need to change the configuration as yes. And for this carbon, see this is a 1, and that is a 2, and this is 3, and this is 4. So this should be anti-clockwise direction. So this should be yes. Actually, this hydrogen is not away from the view. So instead of yes, we need to write this as a R. See the answer for this question. See, this is S and this is R. We are changing the configuration because of this 2 hydrogen atoms. Keep that in mind. This is the main trick which you need to keep it in your mind. Okay. The answer for this question is B. Thanks for watching. If you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe it and click the bell button so that you will get all the upcoming videos. So you cannot miss all the tricks also.